All right, and we cut across to the latest breaking that is just coming in. Yes, politics over Sengal that continues to escalate, and this time it is UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath who has slammed the Indy bloc. He has put out a post to this effect on social media platform X, where he's written, and I quote, Samajwadi Party has never respected the history and culture of India. The comments made by prominent party leaders about the scepter are not only reprehensible but also show their ignorance. It shows the ignorance of the Indy allies, especially against Tamil culture. Scepter is one of the proud symbols of India. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has made all Indians proud by honoring the scepter in Parliament. Let me cut across to Rakshita once again over this latest breaking that has just come in. And Rakshita, this is Yogi Adityanath giving it back to the naysayers, to the Indy allies who've gone on to target the Sengal, especially the SP.
Absolutely. Yes, of course, it's a new parliament building, it's a new session, but the old debate continues. The opposition is once again raking up the Sengal when it has been installed right at the time of the inauguration of the new parliament. And now it's trying to hit back at the government over this, and again trying to reinforce the, the slogan of Constitution Khatre Mein, how Constitution needs to be valued, how democratic rights need to be valued. Of course, the opposition this time is enjoying a good number game. This time it has good numbers in the House, but time and again we see that some of the topics that are being raked up, it really begets the question that why is this being done now? Now, Yogi Adityanath, as you clearly pointed out, has hit out at the opposition, and he has joined in all the BJP leaders in hitting back at the Congress party, saying that the comments made by the prominent party leaders about scepter are not only reprehensible but also show their ignorance. Now, the ignorance he's talking about is how it actually reflects India's culture. It's not something that should be dafnaud, as we saw the Samajwadi Party MP saying that usko dafna diya tha, that it should be buried somewhere, and rightly so, that was its position. But we had the BJP hitting back, saying that we had Anna Malai saying that its rightful place was in the parliament. And now Yogi Adityanath goes on to say that scepter is one of the proud symbols of India, and this only shows the ignorance of India allies, especially against Tamil culture. Honorable Prime Minister of India has made all Indians proud in honoring the scepter in the parliament. Of course, in the last session, I beg your pardon, last year we saw after the inauguration, the Prime Minister had in fact bowed down to the Sengal. It was a moment that was captured, and it had a very symbolic value, high symbolic value. And it meant how it reinforces the rule of law. And we see that continuously now the BJP is targeting the Congress, that one of the India allies, DMK, do they also agree with what SP is saying? Does the SP also believe in the same kind of thought that is being now peddled, the theory that is being peddled by the Samajwadi Party? We'll slip into a very, very short break, viewers, but this face-off over Sengal continues. It's the fourth day of the parliament session. Republic TV continues with its ground reportage. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere.